If you live in an urban area with a very small backyard, or if you live in apartments, you still can grow a lot of food. We grow most of our food in containers, like you can see here. Swiss chard, red Russian kale, blueberries, all of them growing in containers. We have pineapples growing in a container. We also have two pepper plants which provides us with the pepper for the entire year's supply. We have a grapevine growing in a container, and we also have raspberry bushes growing in containers which provided us with raspberries this year. We have a beautiful passion fruit vine growing on our fence area. We have lots of herbs growing in our patio area which keeps the mosquitoes away. This is our drumstick plant which was overwintered from last year, and it is growing fantastically in this container. You can grow any type of plant in a container. This is also a neem plant which I have to transplant, and I will be growing this in a container. We have potatoes growing in a tub in one of the containers, and you can also see that we have cucumbers growing in a trellis in one of the tubs. Some plants grow extremely well in containers, and this one is one such plant. This is the Little Prince container eggplants. Even though I have grown it in the raised bed, it grows exceptionally well in containers. If you have very small backyard, you can make use of the vertical space available to you in your backyard by using the fence area and any wall area that is available to you. You can also make use of the vertical space by using vertical pots like this Greenstock vertical planters. This is one of my favorites, and this is in my wish list, and I'll be buying that soon to grow vertically. Here again you can see ivy gourd being grown in a tub vertically in the fence area. If you have any narrow area in your backyard which doesn't have much sunlight coming in, you still can make use of that area by growing vining plants along a trellis, thereby making use of the sunlight that is available on top of the fence area. So you still can make use of every single spot in your garden. This area of my garden receives less sun because of the shade created by the fence and the building. That's why I grow vining plants like beans on the trellis in this area, so that when the plants reach the top of the fence, it has a lot of sun available to it. If you're short of space in your backyard, you still can make use of the front yard space by growing in beautiful herbs in your front yard. There are a lot of colored herbs like purple basil, you could use chives, cilantro, garlic, onions, curry leaves. All of those go well in the front yard because none of those are attracted by critters, and none of your planting will go waste. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment down below if you would like to see videos of this kind. Also check out our Instagram page at A Dallas Backyard Garden. Thank you.